Okay, let's unpack this. Today, we are diving into these generative media tools, specifically a new one called the AI Media Generator.
Right.
And our mission really is to figure out what makes this platform tick. It's built on open source stuff, promises like crazy performance and privacy.
Yeah, they're making some bold claims.
So is it actually a real challenger to the big tech players? We're going to focus on how it, understands what you want the prompting and how fast it delivers.
Okay, so what's really interesting, I think, is the architecture. It's layered. Think of it like a dedicated film crew.
Okay.
For the really sophisticated part, understanding the creative brief, the storyboarding, it leans on this massive cloud model, Cerebras Quen 3.
Whoa, hang on. Did you say Cerebras Quen 3? That's the 235 billion parameter one, right?
That's the one. Huge.
That sounds excessive. I mean, for generating short videos or images, how does that actually help me as a creator?
It's all about interpretation. See, a model that big, it gets past just basic keywords. It can grasp like emotional nuance, abstract ideas,
Yeah.
really complex directions. It's more like a sophisticated storyboarding partner.
Okay. So it takes your natural language, maybe even just a vibe you're going for?
Exactly. And translates that into a concrete visual plan that the other parts can actually execute.
Got it. So Quen 3 is the director, the brain. Then you need the actual camera, the thing making the visual.
Right. And for that, the main engine they're using is Stable Video Diffusion.
SVD.
SVD. Okay. And that's specifically for the text-to-video part.
Correct. Text to video. And it automatically kicks out the result at 1924 by 576 resolution.
Which is pretty crisp. Good size for, online content, social media.
Yeah, exactly. And this links back to accessibility too, because that big brain, the Quen 3, it powers an embedded AI chat assistant.
So you don't need to be a prompt wizard. Not necessarily. You can just chat with the assistant, refine your idea back and forth conversationally. It makes that massive model power usable even if you're, just starting out.
Okay, that makes sense. You iterate quickly with the chat,
Mhm.
which means you need the results fast, no waiting around.
Precisely. And this is where the performance claims come in. This is maybe the biggest differentiator.
Uh-huh.
They bypass the usual cloud throttling problem because it's self-hosted. It runs on dedicated local hardware.
Local? What are we talking about?
The NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. And crucially, it's on the next-gen Blackwell architecture.
Blackwell. Okay, I've heard the buzz. So that's not just marketing.
Apparently not. They claim it delivers unprecedented AI inference speeds. For you, the user, that means getting your video or image back almost in real time. None of that frustrating lag you get with shared cloud services.
Near real time. That's a big deal.
Yeah, it really is.
But here's the bit that really caught my eye, the potential game changer maybe. The privacy stance.
Yes, this is huge.
Yeah.
Unlike, almost everyone else.
Right, where you kind of wonder who owns the output or if they're scanning your prompts for data.
Exactly. This platform has a strict privacy-first, self-hosted model.
Oh, meaning?
Meaning your prompts, the images, the videos you generate, they are never stored by the platform, never shared.
Serious.
That's the promise. The creators keep full rights to their content.
Yeah.
And absolutely no user tracking or behavioral profiling.
Wow. Okay. That's a statement. It's like a digital safe space for your ideas.
It really is. Your work, your rules. It's quite countercultural in the current AI landscape.
So if people want to try this out, see if the speed and privacy lives up to the hype.
It's currently in a free beta. No credit card needed to sign up.
Free beta. Okay. But there must be limits, right? Given that dedicated hardware.
Yeah, they manage demand with hourly limits. Something like 10 images and 5 text-to-video generations per hour, which is still pretty generous for a free beta.
Okay, so let's recap. We've got this AI media generator. It uses the giant Quen 3 model for deep prompt understanding.
Right, the brains.
Stable. Video diffusion for the video output. Runs super fast on dedicated Blackwell hardware.
Let's see.
And wraps it all in this really strong self-hosted privacy model where you own everything and aren't tracked.
That's the core package.
So what does this all add up to? What's the big takeaway here?
Well, thinking bigger picture for a second.
Hmm.
A platform like this, it's not just another creative tool, is it? It's kind of a proof of concept.
How so?
It suggests that maybe the future of really powerful, cutting-edge AI creativity doesn't have to live exclusively with big tech, the ones who often demand your data or charge a premium for cloud access.
You're saying there's another way?
Potentially.
Yeah.
What if it lies more in these decentralized, transparent, maybe even user-owned platforms built on open source? That's a provocative thought, I think. Something for you to chew on as you explore these generative tools. Who do you trust with your creative process?